Hey folks, VM Explorer here. Hey, I wanted to do a post video on that Rosewell SATA cage, and as you can see, I've kind of got it mocked up in this server here. I know the cables are hanging here a little bit, and it's not exactly pretty, but it is mounted. This is in an Antec, an older Antec. I think they call it the Sonata III or something like that. But one thing about it is it's actually pretty cool. It works pretty well. You know, it's nice and quiet. It's running right now, and there's virtually no noise coming out of this device. I thought it would be noisy, but one thing I did notice that I really didn't think too much about was, and I should have done this because I know you're never supposed to block things, right? But this cover here that blocks the bays, yeah, that's going to block the flow of air. So it's something to think about in your design. I never really bought this cage with the intent to put it in this case, but in the end I decided that that's probably the best case it was. I kind of like the blue indicator lights. They flicker pretty good when there's activity. They're not too overly bright to where you can't see them, and that is something I really like about it. When there is activity, it's very clear that something is going on, right? You can see them. They're going to flicker nice and clear. You won't have any issues there. Let me just grab a file here real quick, and we'll do a transfer, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go to here. I'm just going to grab a file and start copying it. So now you can see, there they go. They're taking off. So that is it. It's super easy to install, especially on this cage. This cage has those auto clips here on the side, right, that allow that to go in. I just put 4 of them in. It slid right in, nice and smooth. The power and SATA cables work pretty well. I would recommend in a case this tight, where you're kind of cramped for space back in here, you might want to pre-wire this a little bit and then kind of slide it in. Watch those power cables, of course, sliding it in. But I would think that's about it, folks. It's working really well. I haven't had any issues with it. I'm pleased with the purchase, and if you have any questions, do reach out. Have a great day.